Hey, sweeties, come hang out with me while I share my little pumping routine. This is the manual pump I've been using lately. Honestly, it's been such a lifesaver for quick sessions. It's super easy once you get the hang of it. I gently place the flange over one breast, making sure it's centered and feels comfortable. I start with a few quick, light squeezes on the handle to encourage letdown. Once the milk starts flowing, I switch to slower, steady squeezes that feel natural and comfortable. I try not to rush it. Every mama is different, so don't stress if your flow isn't super fast right away. Just relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, maybe think about your little one, and keep a gentle rhythm. The goal is comfort, not forcing it. You've got this, mama. And here's our little milk collection for today. Look at that. Thank you so much for spending this sweet little moment with me today. If you're a new mama too, just know you're doing better than you think. Sending you the biggest hug, lots of love, and a reminder to be gentle with yourself.